What's up, crew? Hey, got a nice little update right here. Check it out. I got the Malibu wrapped up, and the reason why is I was painting last night. I was supposed to send these pieces off this week, but I noticed one had a nick on it, so I went on ahead and resprayed it. And that tank, it has some spots in there I ain't like, so wet sanding that. It's still gonna be the same time when the owner get it. Make sure I take care of it. Make sure I do it right, you know what I'm saying? I don't want no flaws in it. Hopefully it don't get damaged during shipping. But anyway, it's new tools, man. It's something. I always wanted to get something that could weld aluminum. So, flaw time. I kinda don't want to show y'all, so I'm not. So, matter of fact, I can show y'all one that I don't feel too bad about. This wasn't really my fault either. So, see that pinhole right there? So that lined up perfect, right? And I was using that flux core welder and burned through multiple times. So you can see right here where it went pretty smooth, but yeah, right there, shot. A lot of this was the same way, but it was holding, so I just kept going with what I had. But like I said, it was holding, and then it came out pretty smooth in a lot of places. I didn't get to touch the doors. And then under here, because the holes was too big, y'all can see them. It was burning through, so I just tacked a couple times down there. And I was like, man, I'm gonna glass that. But that's not the way I wanted to do stuff in this car business. So instead of doing it like that now, instead of doing it like that right now, I'm gonna just fix my issue. I just said I'm just gonna invest in myself, spend some money, man. I believe in myself. I believe I can do this, so I'll just spend the money, man. And then let me show y'all here. So this is pretty good, man, but this flux core stuff burnt a lot of this paint. So I gotta literally take all that up and prime it. All of it. See all them burnt marks? All of it. But yeah, this area came out pretty smooth. Let me see. You know, some welds I filled with that flux core. Came out okay, man, but it's so sloppy. The thing is so hot. It's so easy to burn through. And like I say, it was a lot of these up here too that I did the same thing to. And then I just filled it with the glass or Bondo, whichever one I had at the time. I was just make sure I didn't leave no materials, or try not to leave no materials. But like I say, like all the body work done on this car, I literally just gotta do the doors, weld the doors, prime all my spots, and then shoot it. But other than that, man, this Malibu was going pretty smooth. All right, now this 250 CF tank, 75-25 mix. It's argon and CO2. This should last me a nice while, at least 6 months. And then this is a 150 CF tank, argon, 100% argon. Right here, got the spool gun. All right, yeah, right here, we got the spool gun. Can't wait to put this to use, man. Really can't. So, got everything we need literally to start doing aluminum and some thin panel welding. So I got some of the quarter left over. It's inside the Silverado. I'm driving it today, man. It's a snowstorm right now. I got that inside the Silverado right now. So I'm gonna cut some of that and bring that in here. I got a aluminum tube that I use to make a radiator mount. I'm gonna use that to try with the spool gun. But so I was thinking, like, how am I going to do the intercooler piping for so long? Like, I was like, man, how am I gonna do it? How am I gonna do it? And now I got the resources to do it. I don't have to go to nobody for nothing. Maybe to the exhaust shop, see Dave for pipe bending, but that's about it. But everything else I can do myself, man. Got the tank, the welder, spool gun for the aluminum. I got the wiring for the welder. Y'all seen it got 240. I got like 2 videos on how to 2 or 3. One on my home repair channel and one on this channel, and with dryers and stuff. So I mean, 240 is pretty easy. It's literally 3 wires. But yeah, this is never gonna see like anything past here. I can tell you that now. And the reason why is because I'm not doing any heavy welding here. If I have to do some heavy welding, I'm just gonna take it home because I got the 220 with literally all separate wires dedicated to it, coming from my breaker box that I put in. So this will never see anything past half of the potential that it can do. But yeah, man, retiring this little baby. Take this back to the house soon. But I mean, I had this for like 3 years, man. It do its thing, but man, quarter panels, any panels, body panels, aluminum, yeah, that's a no-go for this baby here. But I mean, $100, that's $100 well spent, because just the tip for one of these costs $100. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied, man. Pretty satisfied. So I know a lot of people talking about cost right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cost in there. So the welder and the spool guns together shipped was $695 or $698, one of the two. All right, everything on this shelf right here came with the welder. This was a hose, a regulator for the gas. It's a ground strap, clamp, ground clamp over there. A couple tips, and then all the connectors and stuff like that. Down here, I got 2 rolls of aluminum. It comes with some aluminum too, but I got 2 rolls of aluminum, 1 pound each, and then a 30-pound MIG welding wire, and that's 35 or 30, one of the two. This big roll was $66 on eBay, and these two together shipped was $19. So y'all can add that up. Now these usually last you about 10 years because of all the seals. They have to be recertified. So when you take it to a shop, a gas place, and refill, literally, they give you a tank and you get them your old tank and theirs is filled. So I won't ever have to spend money on getting these refills. So it is like a one-time purchase. I just had to pay for gas whenever I run out. This was $250 filled, and that was $150 filled. So not a bad price at all. And refilling on this argon is gonna be about $50, and refilling this one gonna be about $80. And it should last 6 months, so it's not a bad price at all. Not a bad price at all. I'm pretty satisfied. Yeah, I'm real cheap, man. So for me to spend this on myself, man, it's like on some stuff that's not flashy, because I'll spend some money on some rims with no problem. You know, I'll spend some money on some tires. Like, it's a lot of stuff that I could have bought with this money, and I've been waiting. Like, I wanted to buy a 6.2 real bad. And I was like, man, you know what? I'd rather buy some tools. It's gonna bring me some more money. You know, so I feel like that was the right time to make this investment. And the reason why, they're getting impatient. I'm about to hurry up. But the reason why, man, is because I know it's gonna come back from the jobs that I'm doing. So got a lot of turbo stuff gonna be coming up. Yeah, pretty excited about this. But yeah, once I get this out and then get this out, it's gonna be some late nights coming up. Once those out, be able to pull the Tahoe in, rebuild that motor, 300C in, rebuild that motor. Just a bunch of everything, man. So only reason I'm right here right now is because the roads are black, like meaning ice. The roads are horrible, man, horrible. So they told us. All right, so yeah, man, that's that. Like I said, I'll be able to pull a lot of this stuff in soon as I get this stuff out, which is real soon. And I'm not trying to do no snotty work at all. No snotty work, no sideways stuff, nothing, man. I'm trying to be 100% fish you, trying to do everything the right way, you know. That's how you keep them customers coming, do the job right, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, oh yeah, I don't know if I said this too, but I got blow-through setup coming, and the blue box Chevy is gonna be 1L7, and then 4 Rockville 6.5 that I got. I mean, this is stuff I had laying around, so I'm literally gonna spend like $80 in wood, and then the wire I bought, some 2-gauge welding wire. That's the only thing I had to buy because I got unlimited supply amps for a while. Amps, speakers, all kind of stuff. And then it's gonna be another Bluetooth setup coming. I don't know what car, but it's gonna be 2 SA15s. Just stay on the lookout for that. But yeah, other than that, man, that's really it. And then the golden rule getting pulled in here. I'm finishing that literally. Just a little bit of knickknacks on the wires, and then making that electric fan mount. And that, I'm thinking about just respraying that because, like, as far as body work, it don't need too much of nothing. And I got some paint that paint that I was gonna paint the Malibu with originally last year. I got that paint, so I could smack that on there. But I mean, once all this stuff stop happening and everything starts slowing down, you know, I got unlimited time at that point. So yeah, about to go ahead, get up out of here. But stuff about to start rolling, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm out. But anyway, about to go back home. I just came to the shop, make this video, show y'all, man. I'm pretty excited about this. With that being said, my fucking